Hello everyone. This video is going to probably sound like I'm on cocaine, but I'm not on cocaine. But I'm completely time stricken because my girlfriend has a bunch of stuff that she wants to accomplish. So let's get right to it. Today's market was solid overall. We dipped in the early morning, and I tell you what, it shook me out of one stock that kind of pissed me off and had me up way too late after I normally wake up in the morning. Still not on a complete New York Stock Exchange time schedule on Maui, as I don't need to be because I'm fully invested here now as we move along in this uptrend. The pullback was great today, though. Early morning pullback. We rallied throughout the session, closing near the highs. An amazing final minute pushback on the market to make it get a way excellent close than what we were looking at going into the close. It was looking a little disappointing, but oh my God, that final minute was powerful. And look at the Russell 2000 today. Completely reversed its losses, up 0.28% today. S&P 500 also finished higher, 0.15%. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average was higher by 0.16%. I'm not sure if volume's higher or lower. I think it's lower overall, but I did not check MarketSmith. And like I said, I am running late on time with my girlfriend, so I kind of have to get this done. But the NASDAQ had higher volume on Telechart, and that's excellent with today's reversal. This is not a distribution day. I'm sorry when you close higher than where you open and you rally off the lows so well as we did intraday. We're all good. And then also, if this market was really, really bad, we would not be having the amount of long positions and signals that we have received tonight. Tonight, we got a flurry of long signals. Right now, the one that I'm not passing, the best one that I'm passing on, that I'm not taking. Oh my God, my letter C does not work anymore. ITCI is a perfect speculator quality stock, breaking out to new highs, but there's no volume behind the move, and I risk 8% in the position, so I'm going to pass because here we go with all the new long positions. STMP, CanSlim quality, perfect speculator quality, and an earnings winner, technically making it 5%. But I got so many long positions. I'm already on margin in the margin account heavily, and I'm fully invested in the cash account that we're just going to keep things simple. 2% for CanSlim, 2% for perfect speculator. If you need to get more invested for a potential further rally, 5% STMP then, as it's an earnings winner. That's the best one there. And then CBPO for 2%. Perfect speculator scan, top quality scan, 2% CanSlim. So CBPO is also a 4%er. This one has very low risk in it, so you can even increase it to 5% if you want, especially in this tape. And then we have STZ, CanSlim quality stock, confirmed in my price volume BOP scan, and it every once in a while shows up in my pre-perfect speculator scan, so that's good enough for me. So STZ, 2% CanSlim, 1% for price volume BOP, 3% new long position. And then MNST, this was a CanSlim quality stock. It, of course, has been in the perfect speculator scan before. I assume if it rallies a little bit, it'll show up again in the pre-perfect speculator scan. But I haven't looked, but I guess it's not up 1.5 times from its low, which is why, or 1.75 per, I think is what I got. I mean, I can't remember now. I don't know why my mind just went blank there. But whatever it is, it's not qualifying for my pre-perfect speculator scan, but it was in my high price stock scan. So we're just going to keep it simple. CanSlim quality, 2%. And then the most speculative new long is CanSlim quality, MDR. MDR was in my CanSlim scan, was in my new high scan, and was in my price volume BOP surge scan. So we'll give it 2 for CanSlim, 0.5 for new highs, and 0.5 for price volume BOP, since it's a sub $10 stock and barely over $5 stock. Excellent long-term chart pattern, though. Look at this weekly chart. It's not breaking out of a short-term base, folks. This is a 1 year. It's not really a cup with handle. We really only have a cup base here, but it's a base on base pattern off the lows. So it's a very nice breakout of a long saucer-ish like cup pattern. But MDR, 2%, just like MNST. And then we have a couple of ad signals. U-Haul is an ad signal. First time I've ever seen this, by the way. I don't think I've ever seen 5 days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight days of a pocket pivot point signal. I really can't remember the last time I've seen 5 straight days. Seen 4 days a lot. 5 days, though, this might be the first. But U-Haul, CanSlim quality stock. It was also confirmed in my new high scan. So technically, since it's an ad signal, 1% for CanSlim, 0.5 for new highs, since it's a higher price stock. So 1.5% in U-Haul. And then rate, kind of got lucky this morning. I had 2 sell stops on the books, 1469 and 1406. But at the beginning of the market, with the pullback coming and with FSLR about ready to get hit, I eliminated the 1469 sell stop. It went below it at some point today, and at first I felt like an idiot, but it immediately rebounded, and I then moved my second sell stop to 1464. Now, at the end of the day, it's completely gone. I have one sell stop, 1406, as Rate is now producing ad signal. It's a CanSlim quality stock, so since it's an ad, that's 1%. In my new high scan on volume, 0.5%. And then it was also confirmed in my price volume BOP scan, another 0.5. And technically, it's an earnings winner, so you could go 2.5. But I want to keep it simple once again, since I'm fully invested. 2% for Rate, 1.5% for U-Haul. So a lot of long positions, and if you're not fully invested, you definitely should be nearly fully invested following all of these long signals today. There's a lot of them, I know, but trust me, I don't know which one of these is going to be the next 100% mover. I don't know which one of these is going to move 20%. I don't know which one of these is going to move negative 5%. I have absolutely no idea. If I had to pick, this would probably be my favorite one, this or that one, as are the two biggest. But knowing my luck, STZ will be the best one, and so will MNST, because those are both food and beverage stocks, and I don't necessarily love those kind of stocks. But we'll see. As you can see, these are all high-quality signals. Had some sell signals today, too. Hack is a 50%er. Flex is a 50%er. In this market, I don't care if it's low volume or heavy volume. I need to raise cash on from weak names to stronger names. UEPS is a 50%er, and FSLR is a 50%er. But for me, it blew through that low, 54.65, hitting 54.63. I was out at 54.63 when my 54.64 sell stop hit. So actually, I think I did get out at 54.64, so I didn't get actually the low tick of the day, but ugh. New final sell stop, 54.62, 54.63. Obviously, 1 penny below that if you are still long. Anyways, I got to get out of here, everybody.